This is context, the reasoning layer for how enterprises think, decide, and execute. The ceiling on enterprise AI isn't intelligence anymore. It's context. The complete infrastructure runs on every update across Google Docs, Slides, email, Slack, Zoom, and every other tool your company already runs on. On the left, where we left off, every commitment I made, every thread I owe a reply on. On the right, today's agenda. Every session prepped with an intelligence brief already waiting. Now, the layer underneath all of this. The context layer. Every project's live status. Who the stakeholders are, what decisions are being made. And here's the graph. Every important decision, every topic connected to the thread it belongs to, with the reasoning trail behind it. Why each decision was made, not just what happened. Every node is fetched from the underlying chat sessions, AI tool sessions, Google Drive, Google Meet, email, Slack, the actual surface where work happens. This is the deep infrastructure layer, reasoning across every decision, every stakeholder, every deliverable, what got committed to, what's open, what got pushed back on, and why. We don't just store this. We build the reasoning trail. What needs to be surfaced across the company, why it matters. A company-wide graph of how every item connects to every other. Now, the agent activity layer, the most important part of what we're building. I just finished a session, and context already knows I committed to a pricing strategy deck for the stakeholders. If I approve the plan, and because it already knows what was discussed, what came up on Slack, what's in the email threads, it reasons across all of it and creates the deck itself. And there it is, the deck, drafted. Same flow for emails, documents, memos, multi-step reasoning, all running on the context layer underneath, on top of every tool and data source your team already uses today. The AI assistant goes everywhere with you. Ask it what's currently blocking a project, and it answers with context retrieved from every relevant session, email, and document. Not a search result, a reasoned answer. On my calendar, every committed session gets an intelligent brief. Before I walk in, it tells me what to consider, what's deferred from previous sessions, the recommended agenda, participant intel, and every open task that hasn't been picked up yet. Once the session is done, it generates the debrief, the key points, the tasks, auto-assigned to the right people because it already knows what each stakeholder is working on. Every project carries its own context, past engagements, prior decisions, what worked. Context stays aware of how the whole project is stacked. For every enterprise to become AI native, AI agents can't run on chaos. They need an infra layer that tells AI which context is relevant and which workflow to follow. That's what context AI is, the reasoning layer every agent in the enterprise runs on.